Wow, what is this? It is the Earth. Let's visit it and discover what it has. This is a forest. A forest is a place with many trees, plants and animals. And this is a river. A river is a long flowing body of water. Rivers are important because they provide water for animals and plants. A mountain is a tall, steep landform that rises high above the surrounding land. Next up, we have a hill. A hill is a raised area of land smaller than a mountain. Our next destination is a desert. A desert is a very dry place with little rain and water. Often, deserts are covered with sand. Now, let's visit a lake. A lake is a large body of water surrounded by land. Lakes are great for fishing and swimming. Our next stop is the sea. Water in the sea is salty. It covers almost 3/4 of the Earth's surface. Hey, that's why the Earth looks so blue from space. We are now on an island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Islands can be big or small, and they can be found in seas, lakes, or rivers. Finally, we have a volcano. A volcano is a mountain with a hole in the top that can sometimes shoot out hot rocks, ash, and lava. Wow, there are so many places in nature. Forests, rivers, islands, hills, mountains, deserts, lakes, the sea, and volcanoes. And there is so much more to discover. Travel around the world while learning English.